Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video I want to show you how to install the HBO Max application to your Android TV even if you don't have Google Play Store installed. This is very helpful. Like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. Now if you don't have Google Play Store on your Android TV like mine, here's how you can install the application. Go over to your browser. Like, this is my browser, this is my Google browser. Any browser can work. It can be a Google browser, it can be Chrome, it can be a system browser, or it can also be a customized browser. So just go over here and in the search box of your browser, you go ahead and type in the name of the application that you want. And in this case, is the HBO Max. So I'm just going to type in HBO. As you can see my search result, here's the application we're looking for. So HBO Max download. So here's it here, and the first option is from the Google Play. Now this is the web version of Google Play, and you can install the application from here. Now my only problem is that I live in a country that don't support the application. So the application is not available in my country. So you can see my problem here. They say this this item isn't available in your country. So that is the only reason I cannot install this application to my Android TV, because it's not available in my country. If you are residing in a country that applications are available in, like maybe you're in the US or you're in the UK, then you are going to be able to install this application without any issues. You just go over here and we are going to see the install button here, and you can install the application from the web version of Google Play Store, even though you don't have Google Play Store installed to your Android TV. Now, if for some reason that option doesn't work, still in that country, you can go over to this third-party site where you can install the same application. And if you doubt this site, you can look at the ratings. It has 4.4 stars and it has 459 ratings. So you can also use this option to install the application. The only issue is that you must be residing in a country that supports the application. Because even if you install the application without residing in a country that supports the application, you won't be able to use the application. Now there's a workaround around this, like using VPNs or using of course using VPNs can help. In the description of this video, I've added a VPN they can use to stay secure on the internet. But even if you use a VPN to install the application, you will still need a VPN to use the application because it is only available in particular countries. And that's why I cannot install this application to my Android TV. But if you reside in the country, just follow the process as I've showed you, and you'll be able to install the application without any issues. So that's it about this video. If you like it, please make sure to subscribe.